little 5-penner. Got some good bitting. It's not key retaining. Silk plug, no way to gut it. I'm gonna try and see if I can get another open on this thing. I was able to do it earlier and took a picture and put it on Instagram. Then I realized, just right after I picked it, I should have fired up my camera on my phone and video that moment, but maybe I can get lucky, like I got lucky earlier, and get it on camera. If not, I'm not worried about it. I picked it open. That was good enough for me. I can pass it on to Lot Mania for its 21 days of Christmas. Not 21 days of Christmas, but 24 locks of Christmas. I'm going to send you my Schley ground body and come on, don't let that be throwing my attention around. Up, and there it is. It is open. That's awesome. It's a little tricky getting to a pin, but here we go. There we go. Lock back up. I don't know if you call it a vintage Yale, like a cast, whatever, but I'm seeing this along with this. Hey, one of these little things to Lock Mania. I'm gonna try to get a couple more locks. Send him at least one more stock lock, and I think I'm gonna throw in a challenge lock to go around in this pass around gift if he does it again this year. Well, I know this. I just got this lock. It's a fun little lock. I hate to see it go, but I got a couple of good picks out of it, And I try to be a man of my word, so that's going to be going to Lock Mania. Be sure to check in on his channel for the 12 locks of Christmas. Everybody else, stay safe, stay well.